Mittens.
What about it?
Right in front of us.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm recording.
What's Mittens doing?
No, she's just in the backyard next to the barrels, near the mud,
And she walked through it.
staring at us.
Sizing you up as your next victim.
Here, kitty. Here,
She's waiting for us to open the door. Don't open it.
I won't.
You'll scare her, or she will come and attack us.
She's eating grass. That's
Don't open the door yet.
okay. Why is she eating grass?
I don't know. It's one of the only meals in our garden. We tried to make a garden once over there, but it didn't really work out. Also, how is the grass over there getting... Let me guess. Lawnmower. Lawnmower, definitely. Makes sense. That's long grass over there full of stuff that we have never mowed, Grace.
Yeah. Here, kitty.
She's probably like, I wonder why these people are just looking at me. Grace, don't open it yet.
I'm not.
Okay.
Don't let that cat in here.
We're not.
If that cat comes in, you gotta go out.
I wonder if Mittens has kittens.
Mittens is a boy.
Mittens is a boy, Grace. The girl cat, on the other hand, is black.
Maybe he's married to that girl cat.
He's in love with that girl cat, not married. Cats don't get married, depending on the owner.
Why don't they just have kittens?
Looks like she's just playing with him. He's playing with his mouth.
So is Mittens just hanging out in the yard?
Yeah, he's just standing around, looking around, wondering why we are looking at him.
Here, kitty.
He probably hears something. Oh, he's turning around, checking his back.
Here, kitty.
Don't get too close to the door, Grace.
I won't. Here, kitty. I'm not sure why Mittens has white right here.
No, it's just part of the being a tomcat.
Here, kitty.
All right, time to scare him off.
No!
Why?
I like cats being there. Just
Okay.
in a stretch.
He's probably looking where. Yes, Mittens.
We're just right here.
Okay, he's just looking around. Maybe he's looking where the kittens are. Over there. Yep, right there.
In the tree.
No, not in the tree. And you know where Daddy pointed.
Oh.
Right there.
The yard?
Yeah, no, the barrel.
Barrel?
That stuff right, the wooden thing.
Okay.
Right in a little shade. Yes, Mittens, what do you want?
Here, kitty.
Grace, he doesn't hear you.
Oh, you're kitty.
He does not hear you. Anyway. Hold on, just opening up a crack so I can hear.
Okay.
I'm just opening up a crack. Therefore, nothing can squeeze in.
Here, kitty.
Hello there. Just press your stuff near the glass. Good stop.
Sorry.
Hi, Mittens.
Here, kitty.
Grace, stop. Almost looks like he has his eyes closed. You know, he's probably trying to sleep. Anyway, I think we're going to end that video.